Smith and Eulo unveils 10 legal essentials every business owner needs to know.
Managing a business requires you to learn a lot of things, from client management to employee satisfaction and many more.
Another thing that needs attention is legal essentials. Business owners are responsible for certain legal actions. For example, business registration, tax process, employment and dismissal laws, etc. Plus, you should know about customer and employee rights. This will save the business from legal disputes. Not knowing the legal aspects increases the risk of facing legal issues. It can harm the business's reputation and growth. Contacting a professional law firm can help with law compliance. What you must know as a business owner: legal issues can be a bit complex for someone who is not involved in it. Still, with some effort, you will be able to understand the following essentials. 1. Registering the business. A legal business needs to have registration. It solidifies a business existence in the government record book. To register, you need to choose a business name and check if it's available. The name has to be unique with a unique logo. Next, decide on a business structure. Common options are sole ownership, LLC, company, etc. Once you have these ready, file the necessary paperwork with the local or state government. Once the registration is complete, your business will be legal to operate, which will help gain customer trust. 2. Fair trading. It means doing business with honesty and following the law. This involves many aspects, including the following: treating customers fairly, providing accurate information, avoiding deceptive practices, making no false claims, maintaining transparency in transactions. Various states, including Orlando, prioritize fair trading. If you don't follow fair trading practices, there are risks of legal penalties. It harms reputation, affects customer trust, and causes financial loss. Make sure the products or services you are offering meet quality standards. Pricing must be fair and competitive, and employees should be competent in the task. This helps businesses build long-term relationships with customers and grow the business. 3. Employment laws. Employment laws set the rules for how you treat your employees. This includes hiring, wages, and workplace safety. Your business policies should align with the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, and Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA. Understanding all these laws by yourself can be critical. Misunderstanding one or two is not rare. Employees have certain rights that must not be overlooked. If it happens, employees can file a case against the business. On such occasions, contact Orlando, Florida, criminal defense lawyers for your fair trial assurance. 4. Unfair dismissal. Business owners cannot just let go of an employee for no reason out of nowhere. No, you don't have that right. There must be some valid reasons to take such actions. Otherwise, it will be counted as unfair dismissal. Employees can make a claim against unfair dismissal. This affects the business image and working environment. Therefore, make sure the reason for terminating an employee does not violate the employee's rights. For safety, consult with a lawyer. 5. Contracts for business deals. These are written agreements that outline the terms of business deals. They protect business interests and clarify what each party expects. To create a contract, clearly state the terms, responsibilities, and payment details. Make sure both parties sign it. In the U.S., you need contracts to be in writing for sales over $500. If you don't use contracts, you risk misunderstandings, unpaid bills, and legal disputes. Contracts provide security and legal protection for your business. 6. Importing and exporting. Does your business require import or export? In that case, permission is needed. Whether the goal is to import or export, you need permission to do so. This is to ensure compliance with Federation regulations and to protect national security. You may need licenses, permits, or certifications depending on the goods and their destination. These requirements help prevent illegal trade. It also ensures product safety and protects economic interests. It's not legal to import or export anything without a permit. 7. Environmental protection. As a business owner, you have to follow regulations to reduce pollution. There are certain rules and laws for managing waste. This includes complying with laws like Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act, Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act, Endangered Species Act. Make sure you are obligating them. This also helps create a positive image for the community. People will be confident to do business with you. 8. Privacy laws. Any kind of business needs to have a privacy policy. It should describe different aspects of business privacy. For instance, how will the business provide privacy to customer data? It should also clarify what data is collected. Employees' responsibility to maintain official privacy. Again, your policies should not violate laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. 9. No bullying laws in the workplace. There should be no tolerance against bullying in the workplace. For that, imply no bullying laws. These laws require employers to create a safe, respectful environment. Arrange regular sessions to create awareness among the people. Ensure everyone is aware of the no bullying policies. Also, you must take bullying incidents seriously. If any occurrence takes place, take immediate action to solve the issue. 10. Intellectual property. If your business has intellectual properties, you should take steps to protect them. Whether it's software, art, logo, or slogans, you need to receive a patent, trademark, or copyright. This will ensure your properties remain unique and they only belong to you. Similarly, you should not use other people's intellectual property without permission. The original owners hold the right to make a claim which can affect them both financially and morally. Conclusion. These are the essentials you must know as a business owner. It ensures your business does not violate any rules in Orlando. The business can run without legal issues and gain public confidence. Your business will grow without legal problems. Disclaimer. The legal information provided by Smith & Eulo is intended for general informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Business owners should consult with a qualified attorney to address their specific legal needs and circumstances.